We have heard a lot of stories, poems, lullabies about moon from our childhood. The king of the night is everyone's wonder. We all have often excited about where it is, how far it is, can we reach it or not. All these questions are answered by scientists around the world. Chandrayaan was India's first mission to the moon, and Chandrayaan-1 is the first Indian lunar space probe. Indian Space Research Organisation launched the spacecraft using a PSLV-XL rocket on 22nd October 2008 from Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, which successfully travelled into the lunar orbit on 8th November 2008. On 14th November 2008, Moon Impact Probe intentionally crashed into the Moon's south pole in a controlled manner, and India emerged as the fourth country in the world to hoist its flag on lunar surface after Soviet Union, United States and Japan. The estimated cost for the project was 386 crores. It was intended to survey the lunar surface over a 2-year period to produce a complete map of the chemical composition at the surface and 3-dimensional topography. The spacecraft carried 11 scientific instruments, 5 built in India and other from USA, UK, Germany, Sweden and Bulgaria. The 5 instruments of India are terrain mapping camera, which took black and white pictures of the moon's surface; hyperspectral imager, which took color pictures by recording the visible and infrared light reflected from the moon; lunar laser ranging instrument, which was a laser radar that provided information on the height of the hills or mountains or the depth of the craters or valleys; high energy X-ray spectrometer, which explored the moon's polar regions for possible presence of water ice; Moon Impact Probe, which was intentionally crashed into the moon's south pole, and the debris from its impact aided Chandrayaan-1 in its search for lunar water. The 6 instruments from abroad are Chandrayaan-1 Imaging X-ray Spectrometer, Smart Near Infrared Spectrometer, Sub-Kilo-Electron Volt Atom Reflecting Analyzer, Mini Synthetic Aperture Radar, Moon Mineralogy Mapper, and Radiation Dose Monitor. They help in providing information on minerals such as magnesium, calcium and aluminium on the moon, the origin of the moon, the relationship between the sun and the moon, the possible presence of water ice and the moon's radiation environment. Chandrayaan-1 operated for 312 days against the planned 2 years, but was successful by achieving 95% of its planned objectives. Chandrayaan-1's greatest discovery was the widespread presence of water molecules in the lunar soil. On 29 August 2009, the ISRO officially declared the mission ended. The mission provided a major boost to Indian space program as India effectively researched and indigenously developed the technology to explore the moon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.